Welcome. If you want to keep your Messenger conversations private and secure, enabling the app lock feature is the perfect solution. Today, I'll show you the updated steps to lock your Messenger app immediately, so only you can access your chats. First, grab your phone and open the Messenger app. Make sure you're running the latest version to access all the newest privacy features. Once Messenger is open, look at the top left corner and tap on the menu icon. It looks like 3 horizontal lines. This will bring up a side menu with several options. Next, tap on the settings icon, which is usually represented by a gear symbol. This will take you straight into Messenger's settings, where you can manage your account and privacy preferences. Now scroll down until you find the section labeled Privacy and Safety. Tap on it to open up more security options. Under the Security section, you'll see an option called App Lock. Tap on App Lock to continue. Here, you'll find the controls to secure your Messenger app using your device's authentication methods, like fingerprint, Face ID, or a PIN, depending on your device's capabilities. To enable the lock, simply toggle the switch to turn App Lock on. A prompt will appear, asking you to confirm your authentication method. Follow the instructions. This could mean scanning your fingerprint, using Face ID, or entering your PIN. After you've enabled App Lock, you'll see an option to choose when the lock activates. For maximum security, select After I leave Messenger. This means every time you exit the app, Messenger will lock itself, and you'll need to authenticate again to get back in. That's it. Your Messenger app is now protected. From now on, even if someone gets hold of your phone, they won't be able to open Messenger without your permission. Taking a few moments to set up App Lock gives you peace of mind and keeps your private conversations safe from prying eyes. If you ever want to adjust these settings, just follow these steps again. Thanks for watching and stay secure.